Hey guys, Mr. Lotrino here. I wanted to give you guys a tutorial video for the argument essay second body paragraph. So we've done the introduction paragraph, body paragraph 1. Now body paragraph 2 should be easier because it follows basically the exact same structure as body paragraph number 1. Okay? So just like with body paragraph number 1, you're going to start it off with your topic sentence. Okay, so your topic sentence, you're going to say another reason why, and you're going to restate your thesis, your main idea. So another reason why, either if you're for lab-grown meat, you might say another reason why lab-grown meat is like an amazing technological breakthrough that we need to pursue, right? Or if you're on the con side, if you think it's a bad idea, you're going to say like another reason why, lab-grown meat is a mistake and we should not pursue it, something like that, is because, and then you're going to have your second supporting reason. Now, this is easy because you should already have this done. So if you go to, again, you want to have that evidence gathering argument essay chart, our evidence chart that we did earlier. We should have already used your first reason, supporting evidence, and commentary for the first body paragraph. For the second body paragraph, you're going to go to your second page and yours should be filled out, and you should have a second reason right here, right? So you're going to have a second reason supporting why lab-grown meat is a good idea, or a second reason supporting why lab-grown meat is a bad idea, right? So you would put that over here to finish up your topic sentence. Okay? And then you're going to say, and you can use a different lead-in. You just want to make sure that you do present and like lead into your quote. You don't want to just start the sentence with your quote. So you feel free to change this. This is just to help you out. So you could say like, this is shown when maybe the author of the article, if you're quoting an article, or maybe it's the narrator, if you're talking about you're using one of the video sources that I gave you, states, and then you're going to have your quote. Okay, so remember for your evidence quote, this should actually be quoted. So it should actually be copied word for word from one of the source articles I gave you or from one of the videos we watched, okay? So this should not be in your own words. Okay, so you're going to quote it. And then at the end, you need what's called the parenthetical citation, right? So if this is from one of the articles we used, this is going to be the last name of the author, okay? But if you're using one of the videos, that's obviously not going to have an author name, right? So you're going to put the title of the video. Okay, so remember, last name of the author if it's an article, title if it's a video. Okay, just one, remember, so it's or, one or the other. Okay, then you're going to do your commentary. Okay, oh, and again, your quote, again, if you filled out your evidence chart, this should be done, right? Because we did this a couple weeks ago. So you should have your quote right here, and you should already have that parenthetical citation. So this is easy, so everything kind of like builds on a previous assignment. So you should have most of this done. And the last part here, this is our commentary. Okay, so it's kind of two parts here, so I broke it up. First part, this evidence shows, and again, you can change this beginning part, you're going to explain what the evidence says in your own words. Okay, so you're explaining to your reader, what does this mean here? Okay. And the second part is you're going to explain why this evidence supports that reason and supports that overall claim, right? Supports your side. Okay? So you're going to say, and again, you can change this. This supports the assertion because, or you could say maybe like this supports the reason or my reason because. And again, you want to explain, you're going to connect this evidence, you're going to explain how it supports that reason you gave right here, right? And how overall it supports your main argument, okay, your position, whether you're for or against. All right? And, oh, and again, if you did this, remember that was our first part, explanation of evidence, that's where we explained the quote, and then connection to claim, that's where we explained how it supports that reason on our overall claim. So you should have this done already. You might have to tweak it a little bit You know, you always, writing's a process. You always want to try to like revise, make it better, but this should be mostly done for you. All right. Thanks, guys.